Hello everybody, welcome back to Hands-On with me, with Victoria. Today I want to introduce you to some basic concepts of color theory in art. They are the primary and secondary colors. The primary colors are the source of all the colors. Mixing them, you can get all the colors that you want. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. We can usually find the colors in the color wheel. There are thousands of color wheel styles. But today we are going to focus on a color wheel divided by 6 parts. 3 for the primary colors and 3 for the secondary colors. In the traditional color wheel, we find the primary colors placed like this. So, as you see, the primary colors are placed in 3 different places, and we have some white spaces, and there is where the secondary colors go. Secondary colors are the mix of 2 primary colors. So yes, you can guess, you mix red and yellow and you get a secondary color. You mix yellow and blue and you get a secondary color, or you mix red and blue and you get another secondary color. And how are we going to do that? Okay, take note of the materials that you need. Markers with the 3 primary colors, red, blue, and yellow. A ruler, scissors, a white paper to use half and half. We will cut it. And finally, we need a hexagon, and if you need help to draw it and cut it out, you can watch my previous video and I give you a great trick to do it. So let's get started. Use half of the paper to draw your hexagon. I'm going to use this thin plate that I made before. Now that I have the hexagon, I'm gonna trace the lines to divide it into 6. And now take your primary colors and we are going to use the ruler to make some straight lines. Let's start by the red color. I'm gonna make lines all along half hexagon, like this. It doesn't matter if you go out of the hexagon because then we are going to cut it. This is gonna be our primary color, and here we are going to get our first mix of a secondary color. You can keep your red marker now. Let's go with blue. We have to do the same with blue. We have to fill half hexagon, but now we are going to start by this part. Like this, pay attention. Okay, now here we have the mix between red and blue, and we get kind of purple. Purple is a difficult color to get by mixing the colors, but you only need to practice. Now we can keep the blue, and let's go with the yellow. How do we trace the yellow lines? We do it here for mixing blue and red. Now we got it! Can you see? Here we have the primary colors, red, yellow and blue. And now they are all mixed. Red and yellow made orange, red and blue made purple, and blue and yellow made green. That's right. It's time to cut it out and make it clean. This is a kind of visual effect. The farthest you put it, the best you can see the mixing of the colors, okay? It's not the same watching it from here than farther away. I can see much better the purple here now. Yeah? Okay, so now we are going to use the other half paper that we saved before to make it clean and make a good presentation of our color wheel. I'm going to use some glue to stick my color wheel on the paper. I'm gonna use my markers to write the names of the primary and secondary colors. And here we have it, our amazing color wheel project and our learning about primary and secondary colors. I hope you liked it, and please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. If it's in your head, it's in your hands. Bye bye, I love you.